Okay, so let's discuss few more questions of this exercise 14.2. So far we have discussed till problem number 17 in exercise 14.2. So let's see one more question. So let's see a question number 20. So in this it is given that a boy is now 1/3 as old as his father. After 12 years he will be half as old as his father. So find their present ages. So what we will do, we will take let present age of father equal to x. So what is given? Boy is 1/3. That means present age of boy will be x by 3. This will be the present age of age and father and boy. Then after 12 years, that means 12 years from now. So I will calculate ages after 12 years. So right now father is of x years. So what will be the age of father? Father's age will be how much? X plus 12. And boy's age will be how much? It was x by 3. So now it becomes x upon 3 plus 12. Now what is the relation given? The boy will be half of the father's age. That means the boy will be half of the age of father. Okay, so this will be our linear equation. Now we will solve it. And how we will solve it? So it becomes x upon 3 plus 12, and we will take 2 inside. It becomes x upon 2 plus 12 into 1 by 2. So finally what will be our equation? X upon 3 plus 12 equals to x upon 2 plus 6. Okay, then all the variables on one side and all the constants on one side. This is so far we are doing. So what we will get? 6 will be the LCM. 2x minus 3x equal to minus 6, or minus x upon 6 equal to minus 6. So what will be x? 36 years. Okay, so that means our answer will be, what will be our answer? Our answer will be how much? Father's age was x, so our answer is father's age is 36 years. And what was the son's age? Son was 1/3 of the father, that is 1 by 3 into 36, 12 years. Okay, so father age we have considered as x. Boy was 1/3 of father's age, that is x by 3. Then ages after 12 years, that means we have to add these 12 years into their present ages. So x plus 12 and x by 3 plus 12. Then after 12 years, the boy becomes half of the age of the father. That means half of x plus 12. Then it becomes a linear equation, and then we have solved it to get the answer as father's age as 36 years and son's age as 12 years. So this is all about the age problems. Now let's see other type. So the number of girls in a class is 1 by 7 times number of boys. So I will take let number of boys equal to x. So So number of girls will be number of girls. We will take, it is 1 by 7, that is x by 7. If there are 48 students in the class, so that means number of students will be how much? Boys plus girls will make number of students. So number of boys were x, number of girls were x upon 7. So x plus x upon 7 is equals to 48. So this is our linear equation. Number of boys plus number of girls will make 48. So now again we will take the LCM. It is 7x plus x equal to 48, or 8x upon 7 is equals to 48. So what is our x? Our x will be 48 into 7 upon 8, that is 42. So our answer will be, what is our answer? Boys are 42 and girls are 42 by 7, that is 6. So boys are 42 and girls are 6. Okay, then let's discuss other type of problem. So in question number 22, what is given? There are 10 paisa and 25 paisa coins in a bag, and total number of coins are 40. So how I will start? I will take let number of 10 paisa coins is equals to x. Then 25 paisa coins. So 25 paisa coins will be how much? 40 minus x. It is given that total coins are 40. So this is x. So what becomes 40 minus x? Then the value of those coins, that means value of total coins is equals to rupees 7 and 75 paisa. So first what I will do, since everything is in paisa, so I will convert this into the paisa to, it becomes 775 paisa. Then, so what is the value? Value will be how much? Value will be how much? 10 paisa coins are x, so x into 10, plus 25 paisa coins are 40 minus x, 40 minus x, and the total amount is 775 paisa. So let's solve it. 10x plus 1000 minus 25x equal to, so it will give you minus 15x, then it comes here, so it becomes minus 225. So minus cancel, 225 upon 15, that is 15. So what we have to find in this? So our answer will be 10 paisa coins that we have considered as x, so it will be 15, and 25 paisa coins were how much? 40 minus x, that is 40 minus 15, 25.